Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So, in video our discussion continue with questions pertaining to the West Bengal Civil Service examination and particularly the General Studies paper. So, again, like I said, all the questions in video discuss previous year questions. In video continue discussion, and subsequently what I suggest that you guys please keep a note or make a note of all the things that we discuss, as this will come in very much handy for your preparations further down the line. So that similar topics এর উপরে যখন আপনারা future revise করবেন বা জিনিসগুলো পড়বেন, things becomes easier to you, and whenever this kind of question are being asked, you are easily able to solve them. Okay, so with all that said, আমরা continue করব question number 105 থেকে. Consider the following statements. Okay, এখানে কয়েকটা statements দেওয়া আছে যেটার মধ্যে কোনটা ঠিক কোনটা ভুল এটা আমাদেরকে ধরতে হবে. India's GDP is more than GNP, option statement 1, and statement 2. Net factor income from abroad NFI is positive for India. So এখানের মধ্যে এই দুটো স্টেটমেন্টের মধ্যে কোন স্টেটমেন্ট গুলো কারেক্ট? So option 1 is 1 only, option 2 is 2 only, option 3 is 1 and 2, and option 4 is neither 1 neither 2. So এখানে the correct answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে option 2. ঠিক আছে, একটু দেখে নেব. Only second statement is correct. India's GNP is more than GDP. কেন? Because GNP is given as GDP plus income from foreign sources. Okay, so this is what GNP's formula is. So this is all about the same. Okay, now আমরা move করে যাব এরপর question number 106 এ. The largest percentage of bonded labor in India belong to, so Indiaর যে bonded labor আছে এটা largest percentage কোন ক্যাটাগরিতে belong করে? So option 1 is scheduled caste or SCs, option 2 scheduled tribe or STs, option C other backward classes or OBC, or option 4 none of the above. So এখানে আমাদের answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে largest bonded labor they belong to scheduled castes, or option 1 is the correct answer in this regards. Okay, next up আমরা চলে যাব 107 এ. When did foreign exchange regulation FERA came into being? So foreign exchange regulation কোন বছরে established or set up করা হয়েছিল? So আমাদের options হচ্ছে গিয়ে 1973, option 2 1978, option 3 1980, and option 4 1981. তো এখানে আমাদের correct answer হবে 1973 তে. So FERA or the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act actually এসেছিল 1973 তে. ঠিক আছে, আর last question, when did India become member of IMF or International Monetary Fund? So India IMF এর member কবে হয়েছিল? So এখানে আমাদের options হচ্ছে option 1 1945, option 2 1956, option 3 1960, and option 4 1951. So এখানে আমাদের right answer হবে option 1, that is 1945 এ India IMF এর member হয়েছিল. So these are very interesting questions that we've discussed, and hopefully you guys have made a note of the same as well. Now, having said all that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we will keep coming up with relevant questions such as this further down the line as well. আমরা পরের ভিডিওতে এই similar sort of questions discussion continue করব, যেখানে আমরা general studies এর আরো various questions নিয়ে আসবো, এটা discussion ওটা answer analyze করতে থাকবো. Okay, now with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.